Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss on what is IVF and when your doctor will suggest you to go for this treatment. IVF is the process where the eggs from the woman and the sperms from the man are fused together in the laboratory, and the embryos are grown in the incubator for 3 to 5 days, after which this embryo is transferred into the uterus to give you a pregnancy. So a couple has tried some basic treatment like trying with medicines and has tried 3 to 4 cycles of IUI, and they're not achieving the pregnancy. Then these are ideal candidates for an IVF cycle. But before jumping into IVF, the couple should understand why the doctor is suggesting them IVF. Some top 5 reasons where your doctor will suggest you to go for this treatment. The first one is when the woman has bilateral, both the tubes are blocked and both the tubes are damaged, which has been confirmed by laparoscopy. These are ideal candidates for IVF. The second one, in stage 2 and stage 3 endometriosis. Normally, the uterus, the fallopian tube, the ovary, all these are freely mobile and they are not adherent to each other. But in endometriosis, all these are bunched up together and the natural process of fertilization is disturbed. This can be diagnosed by ultrasound and by laparoscopy. So when the woman is having stage 2 and stage 3 endometriosis, she is an ideal candidate to go for IVF. The next one, when it comes to the ovary. When the woman is having polycystic ovarian syndrome, she may not be able to ovulate with tablets, and she may not be able to ovulate even with heavy dose of gonadotropin injections. In these situations, the doctor may suggest you to go for an IVF cycle. The next one, age-related fertility. As the woman's age advances, if she is more than 35 years old and she is just newly married and she's tried naturally for a period of 3 months or 6 months, and she's tried basic treatment of IUI for 2 cycles, if she has not achieved a pregnancy, then it is ideal that she goes in for an IVF cycle. The next one, you may be young, you may be very healthy, you may be in your ideal weight, but still the woman's egg quality may be less and the number also may be less. This can be diagnosed by a basic ultrasound, and when diagnosed at the right time, these patients benefit grossly from IVF treatment. The next one, when it comes to the men, problems with the semen. If the semen parameters are poor, when the concentration count is less than 5 million per ml, or if the motility is very poor, then these couples should choose an IVF cycle as early as possible. The next one, a very rare cause, some genetic problems in the man or the woman, like cystic fibrosis or thalassemia. These genetic problems, every couple will wish that their offspring does not get these problems. So in IVF, what we do is we get the embryos, we try to identify which embryo does not have this genetic problem, and we transfer this best embryo into the uterus to give the couple a healthy baby. So I hope this video was informative, and you can share your comments and you can share your queries either on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. I'll be ready to answer your questions. Thank you.